Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your OkCupid account. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, you'll see this kind of interface. If you want to recover your existing OkCupid account, then over here you can see the sign in option, tap on it. Now here at the bottom you can see login with email option, tap on it. In this space over here you can see this forgot password link, tap on it. Tap on this enter email field, enter your registered email address of your account. After that, tap on next. Now OkCupid will send you an email to reset your password. In that way you can recover your account. So you need to check your inbox of your Gmail. If you cannot find an email over here, check your spam folder. As you can see over here, I have received the email from OkCupid. In this email, you'll find the reset password link. So you can tap on this and now you'll be prompted to change your password. You can set a new password for your account, and after that, you can use this password to re-log into your account. In that way, you can easily recover your OkCupid account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.